Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Victor, aka Prodigal Vlogs. On my new to me 3rd gen 4Runner, I've decided to mod today with some wheel spacers that I did purchase off of Amazon. I will include the link on my bio if you are interested on checking them out. I'm not paid or sponsored by this company. So I can't afford new wheels at this moment, but I went ahead and I purchased 1.5 inch spacers to give it a more aggressive look. They're pretty thick, which is what my wife said. Damn! A lot of meat here, you guys. 1.5 inch. So the reason I went with the 1.5 inch spacers, because if I would have went with the 2 inch, they would have rubbed from what I've read from the reviews. I didn't want too much poke of the wheel, and plus the rubbing, that would have just been annoying, and you know, and then the wife wouldn't have liked that. Then she would have been like, we can't go driving around in that. Every time you make a turn, it makes a noise. So 1.5 inch. So this is how it sits right now with no wheel spacers. As you can see, the wheels are pretty flush, but I am aiming for that more aggressive look. My 3rd gen 4Runner. So flush, but we want aggressive. So I'm gonna do one wheel, and then I'll show the result after I've put all the spacers.
A few moments later.
So this is it, 1.5 inch. As you can see, nice amount of poke, not too much, but just enough. On the back, with no spacer yet. Daylight is running out, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish up the other wheels, and I will show the final result at the end. So it is another day. I wasn't able to finish filming the day before just because it got dark pretty fast. I didn't keep track of time. So this is the 4Runner after the 1.5 inch spacer install. I have to say I'm happy with the fitment. You know, it's nothing crazy, but at the same time it still looks good. It doesn't look like it missed leg day at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna turn this. I'm gonna show you guys.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So here it is, 1.5 inch spacers. So what I think goes wrong with people that install spacers, they don't buy the extended lug nuts which attach the spacer to the actual wheel hub. And so what happens with time is you know, with vibration and everything, you know, especially not having used thread locker, lug nuts, you know, they start to come loose with vibrations of the road, and then eventually your wheel pops off. You're on the freeway doing 70, 75, and it's like, oh, these spacers, they weren't no good. It's like, no, you didn't use the extended lug nuts, and you didn't use any thread locker, buddy. Thread locker, I'm sorry. But as you can see, it does look good. I am happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.